Hello everyone and welcome in IceWarp tutorial. This time we will have a look to nodes. So nodes in IceWarp EPOS have been completely redesigned. But in order to start, first of all, we have to log in into our IceWarp EPOS web client. And then on the left side, you see a nodes. Well, quite a lot of us are using nodes on our mobile phones or tablets. And the good thing on nodes is that even those nodes can be actually synchronized with IceWarp EPOS, thanks to Exchange ActiveSync synchronization. If you'd like to know more about that, just have a look to our dedicated video about how to synchronize IceWarp with your mobile devices. But let's get started about nodes. So as always, nodes can be divided into multiple folders. And once you are here, you can see all your nodes which you have stored within IceWarp EPOS. Now, if you'd like to create a new one, you just hit to new node and then start with a subject. You can add categories or tags and then of course start typing. If you already have some, then you can put there even screenshots or some pictures. You can put there whatever you'd like to. In case you'd like to work also with text formatting, then you have a lot of options right here. There can be also tables, links, and of course, if you'd like to get rid of some unnecessary formatting, for example, from documents, then you can paste it just as a text. Now, what will be the result? Well, the result would be that there is the node stored within your account, but that shouldn't be all. As you can see here on top right corner of every single box of the node, there is a pin to dashboard. What will happen if I will pin it to my dashboard? Well, once I will go into the dashboard, there we go. This is it. This is that node which I stored there, and I can expand it, move it around, work on dashboard like on my desktop. But coming back to a node, if you right click on a node, you can not only pin or unpin it from a dashboard, which I already showed you, but you can also clone it, download as the HTML file or as a PDF. You can even share those nodes. So that's very important, especially in those cases where you are, for example, taking notes from a meeting and you'd like to share those with other members or attendees of the same meeting. And yes, once you have those nodes stored within your account and you will start a synchronization with your mobile devices, you will get those nodes even outside of the web client. And the same stuff is also once you are using IceWarp desktop client, those nodes will be of course synchronized also to your desktop client. So that's it. Those are nodes in IceWarp EPOS web client. See you in another video.